ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've made it to the midweek point, and this is the longest week on the calendar year. It's always the longest week after Festival International. This weekend, the weather's not going to be as good as it was last weekend. Good chance of storms Saturday, but Sunday's not looking too bad. In the near term, slight rain chances tomorrow and Friday, but most of us stay dry and it stays quite warm. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. Still all the action across the nation's midsection. Oh, by the way, snowing pretty nicely up in northeastern Minnesota with that storm system, the northern end of it. But all the green here, these are flash flood watches for the nation's midsection from Illinois all the way back down through Texas. And then on top of that, severe thunderstorm watches and a couple of warnings going at this hour. Showers and storms impacting the I-20 corridor, the Dallas-Fort Worth area to Arlington, and then off to the east, pushing toward Texarkana. At this hour, just a couple of warnings going. We have the severe thunderstorm watch, but the warnings in extreme northeastern Texas, extreme southeastern Oklahoma, and southwestern Arkansas at this hour. As we open it on up, the severe weather threat tonight through tomorrow morning, primarily across Texas. I think we could drop this as enhanced level, but a slight risk all the way down to the Texas Hill Country. And then tomorrow, some severe storms back to the west and some depart off to the north and east. But notice Louisiana still relatively quiet. But with that being said, we're going to have showers and storms getting a little bit closer to us with time. Infrared satellite imagery pulling out the enhanced stuff that shows the big thunderstorms and the tropical activity. Yep, we're back to this time of year, but I love this imagery. You can see the cold cloud tops here indicating thunderstorms topping out at about 55,000 feet across the Red River Valley. A little bit of a storm cluster, Corpus Christi on southward, but meanwhile, Louisiana, just some high-level clouds moving across the area, and that's what we expect again tomorrow. A mixture of clouds and sun, more clouds in the morning, and then a little bit more sun in the afternoon. Meanwhile, I know it's May 1st, it's not June 1st, but we are taking a look at a tropical disturbance over here by the Bahamas. The National Hurricane Center updating this earlier today, indicating that this area of weak low pressure may develop down the line. The feature is going to drift toward South Florida, so the possibility of some localized heavy rainfall Bahamas through South Florida, and then perhaps some development off the southeast U.S., but right now a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days. But if it was like last year or the 3 years prior to that, the last 4 years, we've had a named system in the month of May. So hopefully not one in the beginning of May, but this by no means tells us it's going to be a busy tropical season or not. It's just one of those outliers out there for today. In the near term, let's get back to Louisiana. Again, mostly cloudy skies to start the day. The storms will be kicking across Texas, back through Oklahoma, and then up through Arkansas and Missouri. Again, we're not expecting a whole lot. Notice we'll probably see a little bit more sunshine as we get into the midday hours. Temperatures in the lower 80s. That feels like temperature up there because it's feeling uncomfortable. In fact, heat indices have been near 90 the last couple of days. And by the way, today, 88 degrees officially out at the airport. And then afternoon sun, but notice some storms coming in. And this is what we always have to look out for. Big storms back to the west sometimes send at what we call an outflow boundary or a little perturbation in the atmosphere that'll spark off showers and storms. They get close to you and then they kind of fall apart. And that's what we might see. But I've got rain chances 20% for late tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening, just in case. And we'll show you another model as well that kind of backs that up, and then back to mostly cloudy for Friday morning. Here's the RPM model that shows us some similar action with showers and storms trying to get into Louisiana, then falling apart, and maybe another round late afternoon. So rain chance 20% there. And then as we fast forward to Friday, a 20% chance of a few showers, maybe a storm. And here we go Saturday, a better chance of scattered showers and storms, maybe a few locally heavy downpours, but we're not looking at anything too terribly heavy at this point. Heaviest rainfall will be back to the west where there could be some flash flooding. So overnight tonight, pleasant evening, nice and warm, nice tropical breeze out there, 72 the low. Tomorrow we'll get it up to 87 for a high with rain chance at about 20%. Mid to upper 80s again Friday, a little bit cooler with a good chance of storms Saturday. I took out the early, still not decided on when we're going to see the storm Saturday, but it could be an on and off thing. Sunday, though, looking good.
Okay, good. Thanks, Rob.